How to connect Xfinity Wi-Fi to PS5. So the prerequisite to be able to connect your Xfinity Wi-Fi to PS5 first is, before initiating the connection process, ensure you have the following components readily available and functioning correctly. So since what we want to do is to connect it to PS5, make sure that any model of PS5, including the standard and digital edition, is available. And then after that, start with preliminary network assessment. Prior to connecting your PS5, assess your network environment. A stable and optimized network is paramount for a lag-free gaming experience. Consider checking the signal strength, checking the network congestion, and use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to identify the least congested channel in your environment. An outdated firmware can lead to performance issues and security vulnerabilities. Consider updating the router firmware and keep it up to date. Second is the router firmware update and configuration. So access the Xfinity admin panel and then use your Xfinity username and password to log in. Locate the firmware update section and then initiate the update. And then after that, connect your PS5 to Xfinity Wi-Fi. So power on your PS5 console, navigate to settings, and then select network in the settings menu. Select network, set up internet connection, choose connection method, and select your Xfinity Wi-Fi network. Enter your password and test connection. And that is how to connect Xfinity Wi-Fi to PS5.